the Multiline, Thuluth and Naskh brush set. As you can see, I've already opened a new layer on Procreate ready to demonstrate the 12 digital brushes from this Thuluth Naskh brush set. Let's make a few strokes and show you how it is. The color is already purple. I'm selecting brush 1, just drawing a horizontal line. Let's grab the second brush, the third brush, the fourth brush, the fifth brush, the sixth brush, the seventh brush, the eighth brush, the ninth brush, the 10th brush, the 11th brush, and finally the 12th brush. Zooming into these strokes, you can see how different each brush is and how amazing artworks you can create with them. Here, I have some pre-made artworks I'd like to show you. I have used the brushes from this brush set to create these artworks. One brush that can write more than one script. If I can make these, so can you. If you want to copy these and practice, you're more than welcome to do so. I also made a full video demonstration playlist of these artworks on my YouTube channel so you can follow along. Please like this video if you like it, subscribe if you haven't done so already, check out the other videos I have on this channel. I'm sure they'll bring you some value. Thank you so much for watching this video, and as always, may peace be with you.